Now moving on to the second question. The second question says, consider the quadratic equation x square plus 2x minus 2 is equals to 0 to obtain the root in floating point with 4 digits and mantissa. Substitute the roots in the equations and comment on satisfiability in both the cases of x1 and x2. Okay, so we are given the equation x square plus 2x minus 2 is equals to 0. Now we will apply the quadratic formula, which is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, which gives us minus 2 plus minus under root b square will be 2 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 2 upon 2 into 1, which gives us minus 2 plus minus 4 plus 8 divided by 2 is equals to minus 2 plus minus root 12 upon 2. Now to find the root, finding out the root of 12 is minus 2 plus minus 3.464101615 divided by 2. x1 will be minus 2 minus 3.4641 divided by 2, and x2 will be minus 2 plus 3.4641 divided by 2. So x1 will be minus 5.4641 upon 2, which will be 3205, and the value of x2 will be 1.4641 divided by 2 is equals to 0.73205. So the two values x1 which come from this will be x1 is equals to minus 2.73205, x1 is equal to minus 2.73205, and x2 will be 0.73205. Now we have two values of x, and then we have to put the values of x in the equations. So in case 1, it's the equation x square plus 2x minus 2. Now putting the value of x1, which will be minus 2.73205 ka square plus 2 into minus 2.73205 minus 2. We should get 0. Let's see what we get. Now this will give us 7.4641 minus 5.4641 minus 2, which will be 0. So this equation is satisfied. Now, but this was for x1. x1 is equal to minus 2.73205, and for x2 we will check x square plus 2x minus 2. For x2 is equals to 0.73205, meaning 0.73205 square plus 2 into 0.73205 minus 2. Which will give us 0.5359. Now 0.5359 plus 1.4641 equals to 2, and my this whole thing will constitute 2, so that will be 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. So again the equation is satisfied. Okay, now for case 2 we will see. Case 2 is 2x plus 2 minus x square. This is case 2. Is equals to minus 2.73 The second case is 2x plus 2 minus x square. So we will take first the value of x1, which is minus 2.73 205. So 2 into minus 2.73 205 plus 2 minus 2.73 205 square will give us minus 5.4641 plus now since this number is being squared, the square of a negative number is a positive number, and again so this will be subtracted 7.4641. This will be minus 3.4641 minus 7.4641, which will be minus 10.4641. So we can see that in this equation, when we put the value of x1 in the equation in case 2, the equation is not being satisfied, and instead we are getting a massive number which is minus 10.4641. So the equation is not satisfied. Meaning this is an ill-conditioned equation. Now we will check for x2, which will be 2 into 0.73205 plus 2 minus 0.73205 square, meaning again, when we are solving for x2 in case 2, we are seeing that instead of getting 0, we are getting 2.9282. So again, the equation is not satisfied.